Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your Dell OptiPlex 7020. We're talking about the OWC 64GB DDR5 5600MHz memory kit. This kit is specifically designed for compatibility with the Dell OptiPlex 7020 series, including the Micro Plus, SFF, and Tower models. It consists of two 32GB DDR5 modules, running at a speedy 5600 MHz. This is a PC5-44800 kit with a CL46 latency, operating at a cool 1.1 V. It's also a non-ECC unbuffered DMM, so it's perfect for everyday computing and multitasking. One of the best things about this OWC kit is its guaranteed compatibility. It adheres to JEDEC standards and is RoHS compliant, so you can be sure it's safe for your system and the environment. OWC designs and tests their memory to meet or exceed the OEM specifications, so you're getting a reliable and high-quality product. Why upgrade your RAM? Well, it's one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your computer's performance. More RAM means you can run more applications simultaneously, handle larger files, and experience smoother multitasking. If you're noticing slowdowns or lag, especially when running demanding software, a RAM upgrade is a great place to start. OWC also offers a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, which includes free tech support. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered if you encounter any issues. Installation is generally straightforward. OWC even provides a basic installation video to guide you through the process. In most cases, it's a simple DIY project that can be completed in minutes. So if you're looking to maximize the performance of your Dell OptiPlex 7020, the OWC 64GB DDR5 5600MHz memory kit is definitely worth considering. It's a reliable, compatible, and high-performance upgrade that can breathe new life into your system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.